Since 2009, the A STAR SIMTech and ARTC Knowledge Transfer Office (KTO) has been on a mission to help industries level up for the future of manufacturing through workforce upskilling. Today, KTO has become the go-to training partner for businesses in the advanced manufacturing sector, looking to thrive in today's fast-changing world.
Singapore's manufacturing industry contributes about 1/5 of our GDP and is a key engine of growth for our nation's economy. The Knowledge Transfer Office upskills the local workforce and transfer advanced manufacturing technology know-how to industry through effective training programs. In 2021, the Knowledge Transfer Office was expanded to become a unit of both SIMTech and ARTC to harness the combined R&D expertise in advanced manufacturing technologies of both research institutes. This provided broader and deeper expertise to better address the skill gap in manufacturing workforces.
In today's constantly evolving manufacturing landscape, with rapidly advancing technologies and increasingly sophisticated processes, the investment into upskilling and fostering a culture of growth are more crucial than ever. KTO's flagship training programs empower industries to stay ahead, preparing companies and their workforce for the advancements of Industry 5.0 and aligning with Singapore's Manufacturing 2030 vision to drive future-ready innovation. Each year, KTO trains about 1,000 professionals through a comprehensive portfolio of training courses based on industry-relevant, emerging topics built in partnership with SkillsFuture Singapore and other government agencies. KTO helps companies build a skilled workforce through effective curated training and mentorship programs designed to guide businesses in adopting and integrating advanced technologies into their operations and production processes. This enables companies to harness the most relevant innovations, enhancing efficiency and driving sustainable growth.
The programs are structured on the model of learn, practice, implement, which equip participants with real industry case study and enable participants to put their learning into practice at their workplaces.
In an era of constant change, anticipating and adapting to business shifts is not just important, it's essential for long-term success and innovation. KTO's extensive holistic training offerings cover the modern and emerging aspects of advanced manufacturing, empowering companies to unlock pathways for sustainable, long-term business improvement in a fast-moving landscape. With key insights into optimizing processes, participants have been able to boost both efficiency and productivity, positioning themselves for greater success in the future. Through KTO's tailored programs on sustainability, businesses have gained valuable knowledge on integrating eco-friendly practices. These courses help identify ways to reduce environmental impact, aligning operations with Singapore's national sustainability goals and driving meaningful change.
SSG will continue to partner SIMTech to deliver impactful and industry-relevant training and to equip our workforce with in-demand and emerging skills. I'm confident that you have benefited from SIMTech's learn, practice and implement approach, not just in updating your skill sets, but also in acquiring the mentality to continuously learn new skills, and I look forward to your contribution to our economy and to the uplifting of our advanced manufacturing sector.